Money day, guys and girls. I hope you lot are all blessed. Now I thought I'd give you guys a different video this time, poolside, and I just thought I'd give you guys a midweek update. It's Wednesday. The markets have been phenomenal so far. We're free for free, and of course, you know, we want to keep the markets pumping. We want to keep the trades still flowing. But I want to break down for you guys what's happened inside the market so far from an economical perspective and from a technical perspective. I'm going to break down to you guys very briefly how and why I've entered my trades and how you guys can get involved too. So enjoy the show, sit back, relax, and make sure you like, subscribe. You know the vibes, it's lit side. Okay, so look, we've just had the ADP results released. Literally, guys, moments ago, we've had ADP results released. Now, this is for the UK timings. We are, of course, in Dubai, so the timings are going to be for you guys, not for me. But the ADP result was worse than expected. Okay, we've got the Bank of Canada interest rate coming up, and we've also got the Jerome Powell. Okay, we've got Jerome Powell speaking later, and we've got crude oil inventories. Now, with the insight of the ADP being negative, it's probably to be expected that NFP on Friday will be just as bad as well, but we will see. Okay, with that being said, I'm going to show you guys the JPY basket. For those of you who don't know, this is the Japanese yen index. Okay, just like the DXY, you've got a yen index. Okay, and what this does is it shows you the strength of the Japanese yen. Okay, I need to move myself out of the way. Let's put myself here. Cool. So with the DXY, if I make this larger, perfect. With the DXY, guys, if the DXY goes stronger, the dollar gets stronger. It's the same with the Japanese yen. If the yen basket goes up, then the yen is getting stronger. Now, of course, I've got this swing low to high here. We had a pullback. Prices reacted inside of that favorite area for me, the 70 to 79%. Price is pushing up, and I think it's heading towards this area of liquidity, which is where I've got the yen marked out on this image. If this does happen, guys, this is going to further support my Euro JPY trade. I sent out a short on Euro JPY. Currently at the moment, Euro JPY is coming down. Now, we already had TP1 smashed earlier today. Price pushed back up, and it looks like price is heading back down now towards TP2. This is going to be a trade that I suspect may take a couple of days to play out, but that's okay. We've got a lot of news taking place throughout the week, so it's to be expected that the markets can move quite slow. We've got the interest rate taking place tomorrow. That could be the catalyst for Euro JPY to push down lower. Now, with that being said, I'm going to show you guys Euro USD. Euro USD is still doing backflips. Okay, we had our TP1 smashed, we had our TP2 smashed, and now price pretty much looks like it's going to be hitting TP3 sometime soon. Now, we had a session candle set up here, and we also had a bullish structure, change in market structure, you could say, which is the reason why we took this trade. But if we have a look on the 4-hour time frame, I've got this eye candle where I think price could actually turn around. So I'm quite interested to see what price does in and around this area. The new 4-hour candle's just opened, so it's going to be interesting to see what happens. But nonetheless, this is the trade that we are now risk-free in, as well as with the next trade, not Euro JPY. I haven't quite moved my SLs yet, but look, the 4-hour candle's just opened. If I have a look on my MT4, we're in profit, and I probably might open another position if we can get a pullback on this. If we can get a pullback, the other trade I want to show you guys, which I haven't shown you guys or even told you guys about, is the peso. It's the US Mexican peso. Okay. Now, for those of you who don't know, the US Mexican peso is a real nice pair because 9 times out of 10 it's bearish. Okay. Of course, this is heavily correlated to the strength of the dollar. If the dollar goes up, USD Mexican peso is going up. If the dollar gets weaker, guess what? USD Mexican peso is going down. There's very few factors that could really make the peso stronger than the dollar, because the dollar is the major currency, right? The dollar is a major currency. The peso is a foreign currency. So I had this trade set up, which we took yesterday. I think it was based off of the 2-hour time frame. No, it was based off of the 4-hour time frame. No, it was the 6-hour time frame. This is what it was. Price came down, made a nice bearish engulfing. We saw this institutional candle. And then guess what, guys? When price pushed back up to fill the imbalance, we was taking this trade. We shot we scored, and we're currently, I would say 800 pips in profit, okay? Okay, look, nearly 900, okay? But let's just say we're over 800 pips in profit right now with this trade. This is why you need to understand the difference between myself and a lot of these traders online, guys, okay? We're shooting, we're scoring, we're 3 for 3 right now. This will come down and take out the lows. Fundamentally, there's a lot happening inside of the space, and that's the reason why I'm keeping you guys informed and up to date inside the Telegram channel. Now, you may be wondering, Vel, how do I get inside the channel? It's very simple. Below in the description, there's going to be a link which you guys can click and enter my Telegram channel for free. And inside of there, there'll be instructions for you guys to contact either myself or my team so that we can assist you further. We will be providing you, or I will be providing you guys with trades, with education, with live streams, and of course, guys, more excitement, more economical breakdowns, because it's really important to understand what's happening in the world and how we can, of course, capitalize from that. So I'll be breaking down a lot of stuff for you guys, and I think I'm going to do another video over Bitcoin and just do Bitcoin by itself. But for now, if you found the video valuable, please share, like, subscribe. You know the vibes, it's lit side. Have a good day, and remember, every day is money day. Peace.